Waterfalls are a feature of river erosion which occurs in the youthful stage of a river. A useful way to remember the key points involved in the formation of a waterfall is the FEED method. FEED stands for F, feature, E, example, E, explanation, and D, diagram. For the next few minutes, I'll take you through an example of this method. F, the feature, is waterfalls. E, example, is Powerscourt Court, County Wicklow, Ireland, and Niagara Falls in the USA. The second E, explanation. Waterfalls occur when a river is in its youthful stage. They are a feature of river erosion. They use hydraulic action, abrasion, differential erosion, undercutting and retreat, solution, and headward erosion, which are all processes of river erosion. They are formed when a river meets a band of hard rock lying across its path. It has difficulty eroding it. Soft rock is eroded more quickly because of differential erosion, making the river fall over the hard rock. The hydraulic force of the falling water rushing into the cracks in soft rock causes it to break up. This process is hydraulic action. The broken rock is then used to widen and deepen the foot/base of the waterfall to make a plunge pool. This process is abrasion. For example, Niagara Falls has a plunge pool 35 meters deep. The falling water splashes against the back wall of the waterfall, dissolving some of it away. This process is solution, and this creates a cave behind the waterfall which eventually collapses. This process is undercutting, and this makes the water retreat upstream, which is headward erosion. As the waterfall moves back upstream, a steep-sided valley called a gorge is found downstream from the waterfall. The gorge at Niagara Falls is 11 kilometers long and 91 meters deep. The final letter is D for diagram. This diagram shows how a waterfall is formed. I hope by using this method it will help you to better understand the formation of waterfalls.